Welcome to this video. My name is Chris, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how easy it is to post content to your Twitter feed practically hands-free. It's truly a set and forget it method, and you might even be shocked at how easy it actually is. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your username and your password on the home page and go ahead and click sign in. Once you get to the dashboard, just simply go up into the main menu of Value Tweets and click on Poster. Once you arrive on the main page of the Post Campaigns, you'll want to go ahead and click on the Add New Campaigns button in the upper right hand corner. Now that we're inside the options area for the poster campaigns, we're going to be setting up the various options to ensure that we get highly targeted content delivered to our Twitter account. So the first thing we'll need to do is actually choose the account that we want to get content delivered to. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and choose my Koi Amazon Deals account that I used in previous examples. Now, another really powerful feature of Value Tweets is the ability to add content to multiple Twitter accounts. So if you've already added your Twitter accounts into Value Tweets, you can simply check on the box next to the account that you want to add content to. So once we start posting content, you can add content to multiple Twitter accounts within Value Tweets. For now, I'm just going to stick with my Koi Amazon Deals account, and I'm just going to leave this box checked. Now what we'll need to do is give our campaign name a descriptive name. You can enter that into the box here. The next section we'll be looking at is the source RSS feed. This is the most essential part of the poster campaigns. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you can post content to Twitter completely automated and hands-free. You can do this by using an RSS feed from various sources from around the internet. You can use any from your favorite blogs. From Amazon, you can use a product RSS feed, or you can even use RSS feeds from news websites such as EZine Articles. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and use my Amazon RSS feed. Next, you'll want to choose the type of content that you'll be pulling from the feed. Here we have our message content. You can choose title only, title and description, or description only. That way we'll be able to pull in content specifically from this particular feed. Now that our RSS feed is configured, we'll need to decide how we want our content delivered. Under the number of posts and schedule options, we'll need to set how many posts we want delivered to our Twitter account and how frequent we want those posts to be added. So here, under the number of posts, we'll go ahead and enter the number 3. This will allow me to get 3 different posts from my RSS feed. Then I'll set the frequency, and this will allow me to get 3 posts every 30 minutes. You can also choose from the drop-down menu for various time frames, all the way down to 14 days. In this example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose 60 minutes. This will allow me to get 3 posts delivered every 60 minutes from my RSS feed. This way it allows me to get content completely automated and hands-free. Another really powerful feature of this option is the ability to set a time frame. Here we can check the box next to Has Time window. Then we'll just click inside the box here and we'll be able to choose various times. I can add content starting at 1 o'clock and have it finish around 7 o'clock. Next, we'll be looking at the additional text options. Here we can add a prefix which will allow us to add content before our message. Here we can add a suffix which will allow us to add content after our message. And then we can also add hashtags for tracking purposes. To ensure that we get the most targeted content delivered to our Twitter account, we can set keyword filters under the keyword filters to be applied area. This will ensure that targeted content is included while non-related content is excluded. For example, if my Amazon RSS feed was for women's shoes, I would want to include keywords such as women's shoes or women's dress shoes. I would include that in the include filter here. It's equally important to set the exclude filters to ensure that certain types of content are filtered out. Since we have included women's shoes in the include filter, I'm going to exclude men's shoes. I'll simply type the keyword phrase men's shoes into the provided box. Next, I'll go into the Google Analytics tracking area and enter any Google Analytics tracking code that I would like to keep track of my Twitter feeds. Next, I can type in any custom parameters that I may have for this particular account. Next, I'll go ahead and click Update. Now let's go ahead and review a list of actions that can now be taken on our newly added poster campaign for our Amazon products. Under the Actions panel, we can edit the campaign if we want to make any adjustments to it. We can execute the campaign, which will allow us to post messages automatically to our Twitter account from our RSS feed. We can also review a list of our updates. We can delete the campaign. We can pause the campaign, and we can preview the campaign. Let's go ahead and execute the campaign so we can see a list of the results. So I'll just click on the Post Now button. We'll get a little dialog box here just to make sure that this is the action that we want to take, and we'll click OK. It'll just take a moment or so to update, and then you'll see the action was successful. Once completed, we'll just scroll back down to the Actions menu, and we'll review a list of our updates. As you can see, we now have all this content automatically added to our Twitter account. This is extremely powerful, and again, it's completely hands-free. So that's the end of this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.